In this step, user select the items for laundry. Then they can add note for the laundry. Then user schedule pickup by choosing address and pickup date and time. The last step is to check the complete order and confirm the order. He can also check the order status. Now the laundry partner will get the notification, and then laundry partner will accept the order from the user. Then the driver gets the notification about the order. Once the driver gets the notification, he will accept the order. Then he will reach the user and pick up the laundry. He can also edit the order items. In the last step, he would deliver the order to the laundry partner. When the laundry partner receives the order, he will send it to cleaning. After the cleaning process, he will mark it as ready. Now the driver will get the notification about the order and he will accept the order. Then he will pick up the order from the laundry and deliver it to the user. When the user gets the order from the laundry, he can rate the laundry partner and leave feedback. Thank you for watching.